In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a membership management system in Airtable. We'll start from a blank canvas and end with a clean, reliable workspace you can use to manage members, plans, and payments with confidence. First, sign into Airtable on your desktop. Click Add a Base, choose Start from Scratch, and give it an easy-to-recognize name like Membership Management System. Clear naming helps when you scale and collaborate. Next, create the core tables that everything else relies on. Members, membership plans, payments, and, if you want a history trail, a status log. Think of these as the backbone of your database. Members and plans define who and what, payments captures the money, and status log records changes over time. Let's shape the members table so it becomes your control center. Add fields for full name, email address, and a membership plan linked to the membership plans table. Add a membership status single select with options such as active, paused, and expired. Include join date, renewal date, and a notes field for context. You'll thank yourself for later. Now configure membership plans. Create plan name, price formatted as currency, a billing cycle single select with monthly or yearly, an access level single select to represent what the plan unlocks, and a description for fine print or perks. Link each member to the correct plan so pricing and access are clear. Set up the payments table to track revenue and history. Add a member link to members, a payment date, the amount paid as currency, a payment status with paid, pending or failed, and a payment method. With these in place, you can filter and summarize cash flow easily. Create helpful views for daily management, like active members, expired memberships, upcoming renewals, and failed payments. This is a great moment to use the link to the Airtable website at the top of the description to open it and follow along step by step. Automate routine work so nothing slips. Use Airtable automations to update a member's status when the renewal date passes, notify members before expiration, mark records as expired automatically, and log changes into status log. Test automations with sample records before you go live. Add conditional logic to surface what matters. Use formulas and conditional coloring to highlight expired or unpaid members, flag upcoming renewals, and automatically calculate the next renewal date based on the billing cycle, so you see issues at a glance. Finally, maintain and scale. Review your automations and views regularly, and add new membership tiers, payment rules, or reports as your community grows. That's the full build. You now have a complete Airtable membership management system. Thanks for watching.